Hello everyone, this is Haitian Wifey. So let's make some chili together. So chili is not really like a Haitian food, but some American friends taught me how to make chili when I came here. And since then have been making chili because for me it's like very convenient. It's like very quick, very easy thing to prepare when I just want to make something real quick, okay? So I did prepare my ground beef like the Haitian way though. So I added some onions, some green pepper, some lime juice, and also some Haitian seasoning or épice. We call it épice. It's like a Haitian seasoning. So I did add it all of this thing and mix it together. So this is the chili bean I just added. We added the chili bean, mix it together with the ground beef, and we're gonna add the prego. So for me, there's no difference. Prego and ragu. I know some people they like ragu, some people like prego. I don't really know the difference. So for me, it's like the same. But if I'm sorry. Either I'm using Prego or Ragu, so I always make sure that I pick the flavor meat. Okay, so I added some Parmesan cheese, and this is the chili powder that I'm putting the chili seasoning. So I added some more Prego for the consistency. So look at the color, guys. Look at the color of this food. Oh my goodness. So yeah, make sure everything is well mixed together. So I needed to add more salt on it because I didn't add salt. So I add some Creole seasoning and also some salt, not a lot, not a lot. Okay, so mix everything together. Look at that. Look at the color. So I lower the fire and look at that, Jesus Christ. Eh? And definitely, I made some rice. So, this is me trying. I love it, guys. I love it, love it, love it. So, go try it and let me know what you think about it. Okay, I'll see you in another video. Bye.